Some of the drywall down. We're underneath the bathtub. And then we can see here where the rats are coming up and going up and down, right with the sewer and the weed. So stick around. We're gonna seal this all off and make it all pretty for us. You can see we've got some rats coming out from behind the wall here. We're gonna open this up and see how they're coming up. So we got this area cleaned up a little bit. We're going to show you the actual hole of how they're coming in, and then we're going to get some stuff to seal this up, disinfect, deodorize, and continue HEPA vacuuming any other issues. So if we look right here, you can see that the rats are coming up and underneath the platform. We got everything attached mesh-wise. We got an exit hole. We're going to attach our one-way door to get anything that's left in the house out. So we got our one-way door set up, installed, allowing the rats out, and making sure that nothing is stuck inside.